Accessing data, please stand by.
In the production of electric energy, SCR reactors remove harmful pollutants from exhaust gases of coal-fired power plants. But SCRs are subject to buildups of fly ash, buildups that plug or poison the expensive catalyst, buildups that prevent regulatory compliance, shorten operating cycles, and increase operating costs. To control these costly accumulations, Martin Engineering has introduced a new total catalyst cleaning system that combines the Martin ash sweeper with the Martin Megasonic horn to keep fly ash moving through the catalyst. The Martin Mega Horn provides a blast of low-frequency, high-energy sound that prevents fly ash from accumulating throughout the reactor. Then, working like a high-powered leaf blower, the Martin ash sweeper discharges a controlled blast of air across the top layer of the catalyst to re-entrain accumulated ash back into the gas stream. Martin ash sweepers and Martin sonic horns work together to create the Martin Total Catalyst Cleaning System, specifically designed to keep your SCR clean and operating at maximum efficiency. Call now to learn how the Martin Total Catalyst Cleaning System can improve your plant's efficiency